make your life exciting. The entire universe you just saw was created with the Anycubic Photon Ultra, a DLP printer which produces such high-quality parts, it's light years ahead of anything you've ever seen. Together with Texas Instruments, we've built a machine that brings industrial-grade results to your desktop at a price that's down to earth. Our new DLP projection technology produces incredibly detailed, high-precision prints while being more energy efficient and durable at the same time. The optical parts in the Photon Ultra don't need to be replaced like with traditional LCD printers, giving it a service life of over 20,000 hours. This greatly reduces maintenance costs and allows you to keep printing without changes in print quality or interruptions. The Photon Ultra has a built-in DMD optical engine, which, combined with thousands of micro mirrors, creates crisp, precise images on the bottom of the tank. DLP technology has a 90% light uniformity, making it far superior to traditional LCD printers. Photon Ultra produces high-precision prints across the entire surface of the bed without distortion. The high level of precision and detail makes Photon Ultra the perfect printer for jewelry designers. Photon Ultra only uses 1/5 of the energy of an LCD printer, meaning it's whisper quiet and can be used anywhere without producing noise. With its high accuracy, speed, and service life, you can print all the models and miniatures you want for endless game nights. The high standard of printing also makes Photon Ultra suitable for dentists and doctors. Anycubic has brought industrial-level DLP printing to the desktop at an affordable price, unlocking more creative opportunities for everyone looking to build the next great thing. Don't let anything stop your creativity with any cubic Photon Ultra.
This is Kika JetFan, a fan even smaller than your phone. Ultra mini, however, it can burst out a wind up to 11.5 meters per second. It can blow your model's hair without effort. Like this. It is far more convenient when shooting outside. Moreover, it can be an assistant for your creation. When having fun outside, JetFan can help you clean the picnic mat. Inflate the cushion. Blow your hair. Blow off the sands. Deflate the cushion. Help to light a fire. Blow dry socks. It also comes with a blowing nozzle, which can come in handy when doing hygiene. Blow dry the gaps. Clean up your computers. Blow a balloon. What else? It's your turn now.
Mini Pupper, inspired by Stanford Pupper, is the first open-source robot dog that supports ROS navigation, SLAM, and OpenCV AI functions. As the vendor of Stanford Pupper, and we've learned a lot of lessons about how to make a robot and what functions our customers desire. Mini Pupper can use a single camera sensor to detect objects. It also supports OpenCV's official 3D camera module. You can make lots of interesting projects. Mini Pupper can map its environment and learn in real time from things around using its LiDAR and camera sensor. With the map, Mini Pupper can answer, "Where am I? Where am I going?" You can call it self-driving technology. Mini Pupper can make robotics easier for makers, hackers, schools, homeschool families, enthusiasts, and beyond. Not limited to hopping, trotting, and running around, but can also do something different. It has everything you need to actually accomplish your mission. You will receive not only Mini Pupper hardware kit, but also additional high-quality services. It will be very convenient and helpful to let you make your own robot dog. Under the hood, Mini Pupper is based on Raspberry Pi, which means it's super expandable. We want the hackers and the makers and the students out there to take it and make the coolest projects out there. You can explore fun behaviors like jump rope and push-ups, or DIY your own use case as you want. We didn't settle for the cheapest option, we chose the right option. We wanted it to have personality and be approachable and draw people in. The servo motor is the key component to a robot dog. We've designed our own high-torque servos, which allows it to be fast and stable. Mini Pupper is built for you guys. This is the open source ROS OpenCV robot dog platform you've been waiting for. Please back our project and lay the foundation for your robot dog platform right now.